Yeah, I'm recording. I don't know, there's no reason. It's interesting. It's the subway life. It's subway life. What? That guy. Fucking skinny jeans and shit. Oh, that station at college. Look at those baggy as shit. You know, like, you wear like skinny jeans and like with this chick, and I'm like, oh, I expect this guy to get bag. So much for my hitting standard. It is. It's just subway life. Look. It's not fucking funny, mate. Listen to the train. The people that are seeing this video, we're on the subway, and this is College Station. You can see right there, that's College. This is what the city of Toronto's like. This is our subway. I like our subway. Our subway's great. It's a great way to travel. I love that you're late to me. Well, look at the people. These are the people. They're every day traveling. Who knows where they're going? Fucking journey. Excuse me if it's not prolific, I know. No, I won't. Look at this guy's crazy face. Try the sauce, bitch! Alright, this is our stop. This is Dundas. This is where we get off. Come on, Chris. This is Dundas Station. This is where the magic happens, man. This is the core. This is down in the shit. We're down underground. And these are all the billboards. See? Dundas. We're at Dundas. If I see any hot chicks along the way, I'm going to get them. I will. I'm going to get them. If I see any hot chicks, I'm looking at them. I'm getting their ass on video. And then, like, one day they'll be looking at YouTube and be like, hey, I'm in that video. And you're like, yeah. Oh, man, I got a picture, like, perfect picture of your ass. There's your fat ass walking upstairs. Into the light, motherfucker. Into the light. Going up, going up. We're going to meet my brother Andrew. You'll remember him from the video from when we got smashed. We got smashed. We were fucking wasted last night, man. Where were we, Chris? Fucking wasted. We were fucking wasted. These are all the people. Yo, where are we meeting Andrew anyways? Run! Where are we meeting him?